Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram DMs. So, let's get started. First, open up Instagram app on your mobile. Once you are in, next, head to the upper right corner and tap on the message icon. Once you're in your DMs, tap on the conversation you want to manage. Once you are in the conversation, now, tap on the name at the top of the chat screen. This will open up the conversation details. From here, select Privacy and Safety. Under the Who Can See Your Activity section, you'll see an option for Read Receipts. Simply toggle this off. And that's it. Now, others won't be able to see when you've read their messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.